What is up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my first official video back on my channel. My name is Alec, or Aubrey, or whatever the f call me. And today I just thought we'd start off simple by doing my standard drag makeup face. It's just something I do when I need to make sure that I'm ready for the gig on time and I've overslept from a nap. So, without any further introduction, I'm gonna go from this to this. So if you want to see how I got that look, stick around and we're gonna start the video right now.
Hey, Queen.
Alright, you guys, I am back. I have glued my eyebrows down, shaved, and all that off camera. If you guys want to see how I glued my eyebrows down, it's the same as everyone else. If you want to see it, I'll do a video on it. If you don't, that's okay. Okay, let's just jump right into what I'm doing. I'm gonna start by color correcting my beard and mustache area. I have really thick hair, so I have to do this. Some of you guys don't have to do this, that's fine, whatever. I do, because I'm a man. And you're probably thinking that this is a lot, and you are correct. I have super dark hair, obviously, so it can show through, and it's not really a look. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe brush. It is the M492. Okay, before we get into this whole tutorial, my brushes are not clean. The only clean ones are in this little bucket because they have not been used yet. This one,
what the fuck is that?
Is not clean. Let's throw the idea that I'm gonna have clean brushes every time I do a tutorial. Let's go ahead and throw that idea out the window, because that is just not the case. I'm just gonna go ahead and set that really quickly. The setting powder I use this whole tutorial is the Ben 9 Neutral Set powder. So, foundation. My foundation is pretty inexpensive. I use the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. Okay, so don't judge me. I know this brush is like super dirty, but it is what it is. Once again, we're throwing all the clean brush nonsense out the window. It's not gonna happen, it's never gonna happen. So basically, I just use this to kind of apply the foundation at its start. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna put my gross foundation brush back into my even grosser foundation brush case. I'm gonna go in with, obviously, a damp Real Techniques Beauty Blender. These are my favorite. There is a dog hair hanging off of me. For my highlight areas, I am going in with my tried and true. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. And again, just gonna go in and blend that out. I'm gonna go ahead and set this, again with neutral set, and I always hit the highlight areas first. Alright, I'm gonna spray a little setting spray, or a lot. I basically bathe in this, and that's really just gonna melt the powder and everything into the skin. Okay, everything's dry, everything's good. I look like an egg.
Hi, me editing. I totally forgot to explain what this product was. It's just the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I don't remember the shade. I don't want to go downstairs to my makeup room and figure that out, but that's what it is. Sorry, I'm dumb.
So yeah, I mean, y'all know how to contour. It's the usual spots, temples of the forehead. I'm gonna do my little beige rainbow, as the girls call it. Temples of the forehead. I like to bring it all the way down to where my cheeks will start to be contoured, just because I have a more round face, because I'm fat. I'm gonna pretend like I have a jawline, even though I really don't. Y'all just wait, I'm gonna lose like 20 pounds, and it's gonna be over for you. It's gonna be over for you. I'm gonna be so skinny, and I'm gonna be a legend. It's
delusion. Convince yourself.
gonna be so cute. Y'all won't be able to take me. I'm just gonna be the woman's woman, the girl's girl, I'm contouring my chin. Okay, so now that we have the bronzer portion of that done, I'm gonna go in with the same brush, and I'm gonna go in with this Marc Jacobs Perfection Powder in Cocoa Deep. This is a very expensive product that I got for free from one of my friends because he didn't like it. So, and I've had this for like 2 or 3 years, and it's a really good product. Would I ever buy it for myself? No, because I'm poor. But am I gonna use it because I got it for free? Absolutely. And I'm just really deepening like the deepest parts of that contour just to really give my face. I'm even gonna throw a little bit in the cheeks again just to kind of sculpt them out a little more. And then for my jawline, I'm just gonna hit it right here on both sides. But for the chin again, I'm just trying to carve it down. Okay, nose contour. I'm just gonna use this as a mirror to get into this, so if you guys can't see it, I apologize. I use this little cheap brush, and I take my nose contour down the sides of my face in a triangular form. And honestly, 9 times out of 10, my nose contour is gonna be crooked, so that's another thing we're just gonna have to get over, because it's just gonna happen, and there's no way of stopping it. I mean, I could like focus and like really do it, but like, what's the fun in that? I think a crooked nose contour is a conversation starter. Like, oh girl, what happened to your nose? Oh, nothing girl, I just, can't draw symmetrical lines. Anyway, we're gonna move on to the eyes. Before I do, I'm just gonna clean up under the cheeks a little bit. I'm also gonna take it down the nose so it looks more skinny. Oh, you think I'm skinny? You're right.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Okay, for eyes today, I'm gonna start off with my Morphe eye primer. It's my favorite. I just use my finger because I'm garbage. I often do this thing where I like do 2 different colored eyes just because I'm really quirky and I'm like really fun and like super relatable, So I'm gonna do that today. For my blue eye today, I'm gonna be going in with my James Charles X Morphe palette. I know y'all have seen this. And I am going to be using probably like these 3 blues here. So I'm going to be going in with the lightest blue. I don't know the shade names of this palette. There's so many of them that I just like, I think I tried to learn them once and I just said fuck it. So I'm just going to take the lightest blue shade here on an M433 brush. And I'm just going to stamp that into where I'm going to be drawing my new eyelid shape. I'm going to use the same brush and just buff out those edges ever so slightly without taking up much of the color. Then I'm going to go in with this shade. I don't know who she is, but she's blue. And I'm just going to deepen my crease. Sickening, no? For the reds, I'm going to go in with a sugar pill. Sugar pill red. It's this red shade here.
No.
We ain't gonna judge the state of my palette. She has been through hell and high water. I believe it's called Love Plus. So I will be using the NYX glitter glue, glitter primer, whatever. It's my favorite. It just works. I like it. She's fun. She's fresh. She's like the life of the party, And I'm using it on this BHO Cosmetics brush that is wildly dirty and covered in glitter glue and other stuff that, I probably don't even want to know about. And for glitter, I will be going in with this Magic Collection red glitter. Shout out to my girl, Iconica Strange, for leaving this at my house and forgetting about it. Thanks, Diva. I'll give it back to you when it's gone. And then for the blue eye, I'm going to go in with OCC Cosmetics Glitter in Aqua. Now that we have the glitter glue down, I am just going to go ahead. I'm going to use my pinky, lick it because I'm disgusting, dip it in the glitter, and then shove that right on my eye. Oh, look at that shimmer, you guys. Look at it. Get into this shimmer.
Yeah, get into it.
Literally just gonna do the same thing with the red eye. we are going to move on. I'm gonna try and get as much glitter as I can off of my face, and whatever's there is there, and if someone has any questions about it, you just call it an artistic choice for it to be there. I'm also gonna wipe off this bake. She's been cooking enough. I'm going to use a little more setting spray. We're gonna let this dry and then we're gonna finish up the face. I'm going in with this big Morphe brush and this Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Ah! She's alive! I'm just literally gonna rub it and just go in. Now I like a lot of blush. I even take it all the way up to my temples. And you might be thinking, that's not really a lot of blush. Just wait. Then I am gonna go in with this. This is a Makeup Forever eyeshadow in like hot pink or whatever. And this I'm focusing around the side of my face and my temple. I try not to bring this down too much because it is so pigmented. For highlighter today, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Starlight highlighter. I get it all up on my brush. Get that shit nice and wet. Like this. Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Girl. Now you might be thinking, that's a lot of highlighter, girl. And you're right. We are gonna go in with the brows next. Now, I'm gonna be using this flash palette. This is not the Makeup Forever flash palette because you won't be catching me spending $100 for a couple cream. This is the Eye Magic. I got this on Amazon for $13.99. But I'm gonna be using this Anastasia dual-ended eyebrow brush. Okay, with my brows, I like to draw a nice, good bitch brow. I always start where my normal brow starts, but I take it so fiercely up. Alright, now that the brows are on and you look like you have a serious attitude problem, we're gonna go in and we're just gonna clean up under the brows. I'm just gonna use some highlight color that I used earlier. Then I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and I cleaned up under my brows and I finished my eyes off camera, put on my lashes, did all that. I just used the same color that I used on the top of my eyes, under my eyes, and then these are my favorite lashes. These are my Lily lashes in the style Miami. I love these lashes so much, but they are very expensive. These are the only things that I'm willing to spend money on, but I get a bunch of uses out of them if you take care of them correctly, and I just love the way they look. They make my eyes look just like a little woman. We're gonna finish up here with the final touches. Just gonna take a little NYX liner and add my beauty marks. Just adding my 3 little dots. Now for lips today, because the eyes are a little more dramatic, I think I'm gonna go in with some Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Dusty Rose. And this is one of my favorites because it's like the most natural to my lips. Alright you guys, this is the finished makeup. Do we like? Do we live? Do we love? Live, laugh, love. I'm gonna go throw on my outfit and a wig and I will be right back. We are back and this is the finished look. I am absolutely loving this. I think I look really cool. I really like this hair. I'm feeling very punk, very slutty, very fun, just like a good old party girl. Thank you guys so much for watching my first ever YouTube tutorial. Let me know what you guys want to see down in the comments. If you want to see more makeup, if you want to see something different. I don't know, just let me know. I'm super excited to be back on YouTube. Make sure you guys like this video and go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn post notifications on so you guys get notified every time I make a new video. And I will leave all my social media down below if you want to follow me. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next week. Bye, divas.